Guys, you're welcome back to Wabili Concept TV. Today, guys, I'm at Mowe Ofada in Lagos State, delivering door to one of my subscriber sites from UK at Mowe. These the doors we supply here. These doors were paid for yesterday, and it was delivered today. It was paid for yesterday, December 8th. Now we are supplying it. The doors are already on site today, 9th of December. So, guys, this is just to show you that this platform is a genuine platform. You don't have any problem on this channel. Welcome back to Wabili Concept TV. Today, guys, I'm in one of these sites of a customer of a subscribers of mine from UK that paid for doors, steel door, security door, and the toilet door, and the 4 feet 3 feet design. So today we have been able to supply the doors to the site, and currently we are waiting for the installer to begin the installation of this door. So, guys, this platform is genuine. You don't have any problem with Wabili Concept TV. If you want to patronize this channel about doors, you are good to go. This channel is a genuine. We deliver promptly, and our doors are quality doors. We deliver what you select. So today we have been able to supply this turkey door. These are turkey door design. There are about 5 number of it. It's a 4 feet design turkey door. These are the turkey doors. We have another turkey door here. This is a turkey door design. Look at it. When we say turkey door, means the doors were made from Turkey. Yeah, security steel door. This is a classic design. When we talk about the classic design, is the normal design, but we have another luxury Turkey design. But the one we have here, they are classic, and we have another doors here. We have another door here. We have the toilet aluminum imported design. This is the toilet design, aluminum design. So, guys, you can get this door to your site within Lagos, Ogun State. So far, you are ready to patronize us. And we have another door here as well. We have the 4 feet steel door. We have the 3 feet steel door delivered safely to site. So, Wabili Concept TV is ready to support you to deliver and to make your house be secured in terms of door finishes. Guys, please, if you are ready to patronize this channel, we are here for you. Buy this door at affordable prices, at quality, affordable, and trustworthy channel. This channel you are ready to deliver. Guys, still on this door, we have if you are ready for the installation of this door. When we are buying door, always buy these rolls of nylon. The importance of this nylon is to protect the door from cement doing plastering or rendering of the whole house, because during installation this nylon will be used to wrap up the doors. This will prevent the door from cement staining the door and all other dust particles that may cause the door to be dent. This is why this roll of bundle of nylon is here with it, and the doors comes with the handles and the accessories. Comes with the handles are always at the top of the turkey door, and the steel door too have its own handles. Every one of them comes with the handles and the keys. Look at the key, the handle of the toilet aluminum design. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you are watching this channel for the first time, this channel can take your door to the next level. Thank you, and God bless you all for viewing Wabili Concept TV. Wahabili, I mean Oladimiji. Thank you, guys.